Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to set up and use PS5 Remote Play on PC. So to do this, you need to open a browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or whatever. Um, so just type in PS here, PS Remote Play, as you can see here, PC. And the first result that you're going to get is the one that we want, so click on this. As you can see here, we are in the remoteplay.dl.playstation.net website. And it says here PS Remote Play download. With Remote Play, you can control your PlayStation console remotely wherever you have a high-speed internet connection. So just click download. And as you can see, a pop-up will appear with options. So it's either for Windows PC, Mac, Android TV, App Store, or Google Play Store. So since this is for PC, we click on Windows PC. And we just wait for it to download. Click on agree and then download. And as you can see, we already have downloaded it. So all you need to do is click on it, click on the installer, and just click on yes. And then you're going to choose language. English United States is okay. And it's going to start extracting. And we just need to wait for it to finish. And as you can see, this is the installer. Just click next and choose where it's going to be installed. So just that's the default. So let's click next and then click install. And we just need to wait for it to install successfully in your computer. And as you can see, we are now done. So if you want, we could just immediately launch the software. Just click on finish and launch PS Remote Play. Click on that. And as you can see here, you need to sign into your PSN network account. And after that, you're going to be sorted out. You need to connect your PS5 controller to your PC before you can start playing. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one.